The number of graduate students pursuing archaeology has significantly increased in recent years, as more young people are enthralled by the rich contents of traditional Chinese culture. Echoing the increasing public attention to history and traditional culture, China has formulated an ambitious archaeological plan stretching until 2025. The country also plans to build national archaeological laboratories with international influence and competitiveness, 8 to 10 regional labs, and 20 national archaeological specimen warehouses in key regions. China registered 382 more museums in 2022, bringing the total number of museums nationwide to 6,565 as of last year, according to the National Cultural Heritage Administration. The museums hosted 34,000 exhibitions and nearly 230,000 educational activities during 2022, receiving 578 million visitors.